Ready to race number 12 here, Santa Ana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. Anytime now, race number 12. The favorite, Magnolia. Anytime now, race number 12, and the race is on. Erica's Champ pass to begin, followed by entry number 2, and this one is Starlock. Erica's Champ by about 2 lengths, Starlock in second, rushing up his work of art in between runners Magnolia, Jack Show King, and Boss General is on the outside. Erica's Champ by about 2 lengths, followed by Starlock in second. Work of art is running by Darrell in between runners Magnolia, Jack Show King, Boss General is racing on the outside. And rounding the far turn, Erica's Champ by about 2 lengths, followed by Tarlac, Boss General on the outside, and running by the work of our Jack Show King, and Magnolia is now running at the tail of the field, racing towards the final turn. Erica's Champ back to 2 lengths lead, and Boss General is on the outside. Tarlac by Darrell. Erica's Champ by a length and a half, Boss General on the outside. Erica's Champ, Boss General. Erica's Champ, Boss General on the outside. And nearing the finish line, Erica's Champ, Boss General overpowering Erica's Champ. Magnolia took third. Tarlac